Everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamila. How y'all doing today? I know for my returning subscribers, I know I've been gone. I know. Ain't got no excuse. I need to be coming with the heat. I know, I'm sorry. But I'm back. And I had a bath bomb video. And I cannot wait for y'all to see it. Because for one, it smell good. It look good. But if you want to see how I got there, continue watching the video.
You don't
So, hey y'all, let me show you. Oh my gosh. So, after drying, this is what we have. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Y'all, it's the color. It smells so good. The oils that we did use that came from doTERRA, and I will link them down below. And it is the eucalyptus oil. And baby, it smells so good. I'm sorry, y'all. Everything's going off. My watch is going off. My phone is going off. It's like, but they smell so good, and I love it. And I tried a different oil. I'm trying a different oil. I actually used olive oil instead of, y'all know, my regular coconut oil. Baby, baby. Mm, mm. But if y'all want more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'm here for you. Okay, friend? I'm here for you, friend. So, wherever y'all want to see, if y'all want to see some different ones, I am going to be doing a couple DIY videos for my room because I got some ideas. I wanna do some stuff. I wanna do some extra stuff and add to my room because y'all see my baby. Y'all see my baby up here. But y'all gonna be seeing a lot of him, but y'all will also see him in my other channel because I have a new channel coming, and we're gonna be dropping a new video tomorrow on my channel, on my new channel. So be on the lookout for that. Why it feels so good.